What's good, my tech friends? This is One Tech Boss. So today for you guys, I'm going to be unboxing this. As you guys already know from the title of the video and from the box right now that you see on screen, it has the MSI logo on there. So today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. This is the MSI gaming laptop. Obviously you guys now have a gaming laptop. You guys really enjoy that video a lot. That unboxing video you guys really enjoyed, so I thought, you know what, let me make another video about unboxing a gaming laptop and see if I get the same views I get with that video on this video. But anyway, today the energy is up because I am so excited. This was a very expensive purchase, so yeah. Anyway, before I start the video, please guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're updated and alerted when I upload a video. And yeah, like the video and comment down below, tell me whatever you want to tell me. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's crack this box open. So this is an MSI gaming laptop. Like I've said, I got my big ass knife handy here, so let's just slice straight into the box. Gotta be careful so we don't slice up the freaking laptop inside. Ooh, what a clean cut. What a clean cut. Beautiful. Wait, okay. Okay. Oh, it's a box in the box. You love to see it. I like this. HP don't really do well with this. They just put it in a box like this. It's nice to have it in a box in a box. Oh, just like that. Wow. Nice. So it's just a plain black box with the MSI logo on the top. I mean the front and the back as well, and there's some specs on this bad boy, so let me just fire out some specs for you guys. Oh wow, we've got a nice branding there saying True Gaming, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we've got some specs at the back here as well. I'm gonna let you guys have a look at that, then I'll read out the specs. Yep, so it's so first of all, it's the black model. It's a 15.6 inch Full HD, anti-lag and PSI level panel. Is 120 Hz, which is good. Intel-Core i7 10th gen in this bad boy processor, and the GPU in here is a GeForce RTX 2060, 6 gig DDR6. DDR6, woo! That's pretty cool. And hard drive in here is SSD. It's a 512 gigabyte SSD. It's got a DDR4 RAM in there, which is at 8 gig. It's Wi-Fi enabled. It's got Windows 10 64-bit, and yeah, pretty damn cool. That's pretty much all the details on the side here, which is cool. But yeah, a box in a box. I like this because it's nice. Anyway, let's just crack this open. We've got like a little nice handle thing over here so you can carry it. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. By the way guys, this is the first time I've ever had a product from MSI. I literally got sent this because I wanted a gaming laptop. Well, I didn't want a gaming laptop, but I got sent this for my girlfriend. So yeah, we're going to be building her a nice gaming setup downstairs. So yeah, if you want to catch that video as well, subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos I post on this channel. And yeah, let's get cracking. So I've got some nice foam in here to keep everything safe. Wow, that looks so good. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna get the laptop out soon. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see that video, subscribe because I'm gonna be building her a nice gaming setup downstairs so she can enjoy her gaming. She's got into PC gaming from the PS4, but yeah, I want to, you know, get her in it into the PC gaming territory, and you know, let her last longer and stay, isn't it? But yeah, we got your charging cable here, so you got your 3-pin to UK plug over there. So yeah, you can just charge this bad boy up. And here we have the big ass brick. Oh, that's a big brick. That's a big brick. My brick is a lot smaller than this. A lot smaller, but then I think this has got a bigger power output, so you need a bigger bad boy to charge this bad boy up. But yeah, this is what it looks like. That's the charging chisel over there. And then that's all that's in there. And then we have the main attraction, the big boy. The big boy. Ooh. Oh wow, what's this? This is, I'm guessing there's some manual guides and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, some warranty stuff and yeah, quick start guide notebook. Tells you how to use the laptop and all that stuff. But yeah, I like the box though. The box is really nice. But yeah, let's put this away down there. Put the knife down. And boom, here's the main attraction. Woo! Oh wow. Comes in this nice carrier bag. It's good. Keeps the laptop nice and safe and protected. Pull that out. Oh nice. I like the little bag. I like the bag it comes in. Little texture on the bag, and then obviously you got the MSI logo up top there as well, which is nice, just to make sure that they know that you, so you know you're getting a, oh my god, a MSI laptop. Wow. I saw pictures of these and this and I thought, wow, that looks great, but in person, bloody hell, that looks absolutely amazing. It looks absolutely staggering. Wow. That is just absolutely insanity. This might even look way better than my HP laptop. That looks so damn good. Look in there. Look at the mesh covering in there. You can nearly see some of the components that's actually inside of this laptop, which is pretty damn cool. Wow, wow, a lot of ports. Anyway, let's go through the ports first before I open this bad boy up. But this is very, very nice. It's got like a nice rugged kind of look and design to it, which is really, really nice. Let's peel this off. Woo! Let me do that one more time. One more time. Near the mic. You guys hear that? Then got this one. Wow. Wow. I've never really seen the MSI logo up in person because I've never had any tech that's MSI, but wow, that looks amazing. And I actually think that red thing there, the logo, do light up. But I'm not sure. I'm not particularly sure. But yeah, let's have a look at the, around the freaking laptop. But yeah, like I said, it's got that nice rugged look to it. Build as well is very, very nice. But yeah, up front we have the, well, on the top, we have, it looks like radiators. Basically, I'm thinking obviously when the PC sucks in air from the bottom, it escapes and pulls the hot air out from those grills up top, which is right there, which is pretty cool. And then on this side we have an Ethernet port. We have a HDMI, which is handy because I'll be needing that. And then we have a mini display port. We have a 3.0 USB slot over there. We have a USB-C. We have a mic in and a and a headphone out as well. As you can see over there, it looks pretty damn cool. Check that out. Let me get in closer. Look at that bad boy. And then on this side we have a few more USB-C ports over there, and then we got a SD card reader. So this is going to be nice, especially when obviously if she needs to upload footage or whatever, you can do that. And then on the side here we have the charging port to charge it up, all that good stuff. Yeah, that's what's there. And then at the bottom we have a little indicator. We have a indicator for internet if it's plugged in, and battery indicator there as well. I assume that's to give you an indication of how low the battery is, or how obviously how much battery you have in there. Then yeah, in the front we got this nice rugged look. We have this nice like hump to it, which is really, really nice, if you can see that. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Woo! Okay, here's a test. Here's a test. Oh no. only the iMax can do that. I was testing it to see if it lifts up. But it lifts up, so yeah. But yeah, this is the look we get. Woo! Okay, okay. It's not as bad as I thought it was. Not as bad as I thought it was. I don't think the back... Nah, this isn't backlit. It's just got a nice red kind of look to the keyboard, which is really, really nice. But obviously I can see, as you can see there, we have that this has got a GeForce RTX card in there. We have the i7 10th gen sticker there as well, and then we have this, which is pretty cool. Let's just boot this bad boy up, see what it's about. So guys, I've actually just booted up the laptop, set it all up, and I'm actually very, very impressed with it. Like really, really, really impressed with it. And also, when I did say to you guys that the keyboard wasn't backlit, it's actually backlit. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually backlit, which is pretty damn cool. It's actually backlit. I like that. Very, very amazing. And yeah, the screen is really good. I mean, I wouldn't really expect less from a laptop like this price and this margin. Like, it's really good. The trackpad is really, really good. Like, it's so responsive, it's smooth, really, really smooth. It's just unreal. And yeah, the quality of the screen is so good. Looking at it, yeah, from side to side, it looks really good. It's really, really, really nice. And yeah, the whole display, I really like the wallpaper. Really like the wallpaper there. It's really, really nice. And then also, I did say to you guys that this light up as well, and it does light up. It's not lighting up now, but it does 100% light up when I turn that on. I don't know if you can see it, but it does light up. But yeah, I'm very, very impressed with it. It looks really nice. I'm not really a fan of the way it's displayed there. I'm not really a fan of how the keyboard is displayed, but it is what it is. I still prefer my own HP laptop than this, but yeah, it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. Obviously, you got the webcam in the front there as well, which is right there. And then yeah, the screen is quite nice. It's quite nice. It's pretty much bezel-less. There isn't a lot of bezels, which is nice. Very, very good for the screen real estate, which is really, really good. But yeah, I like it. It's not too bad. The mouse pad, it's not really how I'd like it, but I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's a gaming laptop. It's basically for gaming and built for gaming. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. I can't wait to build the setup for her, gaming setup. But yeah, I'm very, very excited for this. Very, very excited. But yeah, came in a nice box, all nicely packaged. I like the packaging. It's very, very nice. And yeah, this is gonna be good. But yeah guys, anyway, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more unboxings, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications as well, like the video as well, share the video as well. And yeah, I'm going to be testing this bad boy out, reviewing it like I did with my own laptop. And yeah, hopefully it's worth the £1,300 she paid for it. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.